Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of flux core welders to help you pick the best one for your needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a hobbyist, or a professional looking for a portable solution, we've got 5 incredible options to discuss. Stick around, as we'll be counting down from number 5 to number 1, so make sure to watch until the end. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the AZZUNO MIG welder, a compact and lightweight flux core welder that's perfect for small projects and beginner welders. This machine is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring synergic control that automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feed speed based on the selected amperage. This makes it a great choice for users new to welding, as it removes much of the guesswork. It can weld mild steel up to 3.0 millimeters thick, making it suitable for light-duty household or DIY tasks. In terms of design, the AZZUNO welder is incredibly portable, weighing just 8.6 pounds. Its ergonomic hand grip ensures easy transportation, so you can take it wherever your projects lead you. While its small size is a plus, it does limit the unit to 2.2-pound rolls of flux core wire, which might not be ideal for extended usage. It comes with essential accessories like a MIG torch, ground clamp, and even a 1-pound spool of flux core welding wire, so you can start welding right out of the box. The AZZUNO MIG welder is best suited for beginners and light-duty users who need a budget-friendly, portable option. However, its lower amperage output and limited welding capacity might not meet the needs of professionals or those working with thicker materials. If you're looking for a no-frills, straightforward welder for small projects, this is a solid pick. Pros include its lightweight design and ease of use, while cons are its limited capacity and lower power output. At number 4, we have the YESWELDER 135 amp MIG welder, a versatile 3-in-1 machine that combines gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding capabilities. This multi-process welder is a fantastic choice for users who need flexibility across a range of welding tasks. It offers a robust 135 amp output, allowing you to weld mild steel up to 2/5 inches thick. The synergic control feature automatically matches voltage with wire feed speed, while the digital display provides real-time current monitoring for precision. Weighing just 11.4 pounds, the YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro is highly portable and features a sleek, compact design with a convenient carrying handle. It comes with safety features like automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations and protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, ensuring longevity and user safety. This welder also includes a bonus spool of E71 TGS flux core wire, which is known for its smooth arc and ease of use. While the YESWELDER 135 amp offers excellent versatility and portability, its 110-volt limitation means it may struggle with heavier-duty tasks or thicker materials. It's ideal for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and light to medium-duty projects. Pros include its multi-process capabilities, lightweight design, and user-friendly interface, while cons are its lower amperage compared to some competitors and reliance on an additional TIG torch for lift TIG welding. Coming in at number 3, the GUOZHI AMIG 145A is a powerful 3-in-1 machine designed for versatility and performance. This welder supports flux core MIG, lift TIG, and arc welding, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. With a 145 amp output and the ability to handle 0.03 inches and 0.035 inches flux core wire, it's capable of tackling light to medium-duty welding tasks. The large LCD screen is a standout feature, providing clear and intuitive controls for both beginners and professionals. The GUOZHI A welder is designed with portability and durability in mind. Weighing just 15 pounds, it's easy to carry for outdoor projects or on-site repairs. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, and voltage fluctuations. What sets this welder apart is its advanced dynamic characteristic control, which ensures a stable arc and minimizes spatter. resulting in cleaner welds. This welder is a great option for users seeking a balance between portability and performance. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts, small workshops, and occasional on-site jobs. However, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty or industrial applications. Pros include its multi-process functionality, advanced control features, and portability, while cons are its limited power for thicker materials and the need for an additional TIG torch for lift TIG welding. In the number 2 spot, we have the YESWELDER 165A MIG welder, a 4-in-1 powerhouse, offering gasless flux core MIG, gas MIG, stick, and lift TIG capabilities. With a dual voltage design, 110V, 220V, this welder provides an impressive 165 amp output, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from light-duty projects to more demanding applications. The synergic control system automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed for optimal results, while the manual mode gives experienced welders full control over their settings. This welder is built to last, with a solid construction that weighs 27 pounds. While it's heavier than other options on this list, it remains portable thanks to its compact size and ergonomic handle. The digital display enhances usability, providing a clear overview of key settings. Safety features include protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, ensuring durability and reliability over time. The YESWELDER 165A is ideal for both hobbyists and professionals who need a versatile, high-performance machine. Its dual voltage capability makes it suitable for a variety of environments, including home garages and professional workshops. Pros include its multi-process versatility, powerful output, and dual voltage compatibility, while cons are its heavier weight compared to other options and the need for additional accessories for lift TIG welding. Finally, at number 1, we have the FORNEY Easy Weld 140 FCI, a flux core welder that perfectly balances affordability, performance, and user-friendliness. This machine is designed for entry-level welders, but packs enough power to satisfy experienced users. With a 140 amp output, it can weld mild steel up to 1/4 inch thick, making it suitable for a range of light to medium-duty applications. The infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls give you the flexibility to fine-tune your welds for optimal results. The FORNEY Easy Weld 140 FCI is built to withstand tough conditions, featuring an all-metal case that ensures durability. At 19 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport to different job sites. It's designed for gasless flux core welding, eliminating the need for shielding gas and making it ideal for outdoor projects. Included in the package are an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a 20A15A adapter, giving you everything you need to get started. This welder is the perfect choice for beginners, hobbyists, and DIY users who need a reliable and straightforward machine. Its combination of affordability, performance, and ease of use makes it a standout option in the flux core welder market. Pros include its durable build, infinite control settings, and excellent value for money, while cons are its limited capabilities for industrial applications and the lack of multi-process functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right flux core welder for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Have any questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.